About Olefin carpet. When it comes to flooring, there are a lot of options to choose from. You can go with hardwood, laminate, tile, or vinyl. But if you want something that's soft and comfortable under your feet, that's where Olefin carpet comes in. Olefin is a synthetic fiber that is made from polypropylene. It's stain resistant and easy to clean. It's often used in outdoor carpeting because it's resistant to moisture and mildew. However, it can also be used indoors, where it provides a comfortable surface to walk on. Olefin is often chosen for high traffic areas in the home, as it tends to hold up well over time. The advantages of Olefin carpet. Olefin carpets have great mold and mildew resistance. Because olefin is entirely produced from plastic, it is highly resistant to dampness. Olefin absorbs only 10% of its weight in water. Because it doesn't absorb liquid, it won't stain if anything spills on it. In other words, if anything leaks on this carpet, there will be no location for the fluid to seep. Olefin carpet is low cost to manufacture, so it will be significantly less expensive than nylon or even polyester carpets. The disadvantages of Olefin carpet. It has short lifespan and susceptibility to matting. Olefin isn't the softest carpet fiber on the market. In fact, it's known for being quite stiff and rough to the touch. Keep in mind that when moving things across Olefin carpet, you'll need to be cautious, since it can readily cause damage. Tips to help keep your Olefin carpet looking its best. Olefin can be cleaned with a variety of methods, including steam cleaning, done by professionals. This is a good option if you want to deep clean your carpets without using harsh chemicals. This type of cleaning should be done by professionals who know how to treat the carpet though, because it's important to use a low heat setting, and don't overwet the carpet. If the cleaning process leaves behind too much moisture, this can cause mildew to grow. As with other types of carpet, you can plan to vacuum your Olefin carpet regularly. It's recommended either weekly or bi-weekly. On a consistent schedule, you should plan to have a professional clean your carpet as well, typically using an Olefin specific cleaner that's on the market, such as the Matrix Olefin Traffic Lane Cleaner, which can be diluted at 4 to 6 ounces per gallon of water and applied by a professional carpet cleaning system. If you have an Olefin carpet that is manageable in size, such as an area rug, you can use your washing machine to easily remove dirt and stains from it. Just make sure you use a mild detergent, and cold water. Professional cleaning of your rug on a yearly basis ensures its long-term viability, especially if you have children or pets at home. Is Olefin carpet good for allergies? Olefin is a fantastic choice for individuals who are allergic to certain materials. Hypoallergenic carpets have different degrees of reactivity. Certain man-made fibers are naturally mold and mildew resistant, which may assist in the prevention of allergic responses. Is Olefin carpet toxic? Olefin carpets are composed of polypropylene, a non-toxic and safe polymer. Polypropylene is one of the safest commercial plastics currently available. It's FDA approved for food contact, so you'll find it in yogurt, cream cheese, and butter packages, as well as area rugs or carpets woven from polypropylene fibers, for indoor and outdoor usage. Which is better carpet, Olefin or polyester? Both Olefin and polyester are synthetic fibers with similar properties. It really depends on your needs and preferences as to which one is better. They are also distinct from one another. Olefin has a lower capacity to absorb water, is more water resistant and stain resistant, and also dries more quickly, while polyester is more durable and resilient. It tends to bounce back when stepped on. Is Olefin carpet good for pets? The fact that Olefin is very resistant to stains and easy to clean, makes it a good choice for homes with pets. If your pet has an accident on the carpet, you can quickly clean it up without worrying about permanent stains. If you don't manage to clean it up right away, you may want to consider a pet stains and odor elimination treatment from a professional carpet cleaning company, like Go Carpet Cleaning. Contact Go Carpet Cleaning today to schedule your next carpet cleaning. Call us at 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com.